Yesterday the gold continued to move higher and the price has formed a bullish breakout on the smaller time frame around this area around 2908 price level, which was mentioned in the previous day analysis. The price did not manage to go down because of this confluence of support on the lower time frame. We can see that because of this trend line which is acting as a support and this small support level on the 4-hour time frame, which is easily visible. And we can see that the price continued to rise in value, reaching an area around here 2929 price level, which is also a small resistance on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame. Yesterday I have shared also a few of these breakouts with the traders inside the premium analysis, and there was a successful profitable one. So if you would like also to receive these informations when the breakout happens on the smaller time frame, you can also join the premium analysis. Now, after the price has formed this bullish candle, we can see that here the price did not reach an area of supply zone, this resistance level at 2949.95. So what we can expect today? First of all, today is a Friday. It's a Friday by the end of the week, which means all the traders that have entered here at the support level could exit their trades today, which means could trigger also a sell-off of this price level going further down to the lower price levels. But first of all, this sell-off before the trading week closes, it depends where the price will start this sell-off. The price could continue to rise in value, reaching this area of resistance, which means the supply zone, and then the price goes down because the traders log their profits here around this area of supply zone, and also the sellers step in to push the price down. What will happen? Well, depends what will happen on the lower time frame, because we have a small support and resistance level. Currently where the price is at the smaller on the 1-hour time frame support level, which means there is a probability that the price returns back down to this area of support. We can see that here, but where is the open and the close of these prices of these candles, which means the price could reach an area here around 2909, and from there bounce up to continue to rise in value. But also the price, if the price managed to create a bullish breakout above this area where the price has stopped yesterday, this close price, which means, just a minute, around 2929 resistance level, this means the price could continue to rise in value, reaching again a very close area around this area of supply zone, which means very close to this resistance at 2949.95. So I will pay attention, especially if the first part of this day, because in the afternoon the price tends to move in the opposite way of the direction of the technical analysis. So I'll be very careful, and also I've notified the traders inside the premium analysis about this movement. So for now, after this bullish breakout has been formed with this bullish candle yesterday, I will watch closely what happens today and be careful because of the Friday. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.